Hello friends, welcome back to Income Sense channel. A lot of you gave us feedback saying that we want to understand more not on print on demand business but more on general skill sets which we have, and can we make money out of that general skill set. So today I'm going to present to you 5 websites on which you can generate money based on your own skills. So let's get started. Well, before I go to the top 5 websites, a big thank you to those who have subscribed to our channel, like our channel, and if you like our content and support our channel, please like, subscribe and share comments so that we can grow our channel to the fullest. Thank you so much. Friends, for those who want to upload their designs into different websites and the website sells your different goods on t-shirts, merchandises and so on and so forth, I have created a couple of videos, so if you are interested in that, do watch the comment section for you to click on the link and watch those videos as well. I would like to say a little progress every day can lead to big success someday. Let's get started. So the first website I want to share with you is shutterstock.com. Yes, shutterstock.com. What you have to do here is very simple. If you have interest in photography or clicking videos, which we often do, what you have to do is just go out there and click your photos in high quality or click your videos in high quality. And then you have to come on this website and this is what they have. So you can upload your photos, you can upload your footage, which is a short video. You can also upload music. How Shutterstock work is basically that they provide royalty-free photos, videos and music and things like that. So let's say if any company wants to use their content, they don't have to pay anybody as royalty, but they can directly download images or videos from here and they can use it in their own content. Okay, so what is important for us is how do we make money out of this website called shutterstock.com. So it is very simple. Let's just go to one example. I go to footage and I go to footage home, this is for specifically for videos. And since I like nature, so these are the categories. You can click on these different categories of videos you might have. But let's click on nature and look at one example. And on the left side, you have various filters. But if you click on fresh content, which is the latest uploaded videos, let's look at one example. So these are some of the examples here. But I'm going to click on, let's say this one. So what this guy who's taken actually this video has done is he went on a mountain and he clicked on somebody who's walking on the seashore. And look at the outcome of this. So basically people who are going to purchase this is either going to pay us $79 for an HD video or $179 for somebody who's taking a 4K resolution. So our suggestion is technically you should shoot on 4K, but even if you have your mobile, it gives you an HD resolution. One thing I want all of you to do is in the comment section of this video, please mention that have you heard about this website, yes or no. If you have, then let the other audience also know what is your experience on Shutterstock. For those of you who are still watching the video, here's a bonus for everybody who's still there on the video. So apart from Shutterstock, which I've put in here, which pays you about 25% commission, roughly you have other 4 websites which are on similar lines. So Fotolia is another one which is owned by actually Adobe. It pays you about 33% royalty commissions. You have Dreamstein, which pays you about 25 to 50% royalty. There's Getty Images, there's iStock. And all of these can actually offer you some or the other way in commissions. Now the reason I have put these 5 is these are among the top 5 which generate traffic, but there are other websites as well which you can leverage. Moving away from our photos and videos and print on demand, the next website which I'm sharing with you is called www.upwork.com, which is upwork.com. And this is like a freelancing job. So if you have specific skill sets, and there are companies who are ready to outsource that work for you. This is a collaboration of companies who are outsourcing freelancing work. And if you have that specific skill set, then you can definitely utilize this platform for you to generate some income. But before I go into how Upwork works, let's look at what are the reviews of Upwork. So when you click on reviews, it tells you that the client rating is about 4.9 out of 5, and this is based on reviews of 2.9 million. So this is definitely a website where you can come in and people give good reviews about, and this website actually generates a lot of traffic. So the next thing you want to know is, how do we actually make money out of this website? So first thing you have to do is actually go and register on this website by using the sign up button. But let's look at some of the jobs which they have offer as a freelancer. So when you click on ways to earn, you see different categories here. So you have development in IT, design and creative, sales and marketing. I'm sure most of us can at least do writing and translation. So that is exactly the simplest job which you can have and generate some money. They do have admin and customer support, finance and accounting. Now, as I said, that how does this become the best website is because it has actually given about 2.3 billion freelancers who have actually made money in 2020, and this is the #1 platform in 2021 for freelancer jobs. What you do is really simple. Here's how it works, right? So when you click here, you create your own profile, you explore ways to earn, and then you get paid secretly. Let's look at some of the jobs which you can find. So when you click on find jobs, these are the different categories which you can look at, and you know the variety is huge. So you have based on like IT, you look at B, then there's book designs, C is for contacts. Let me quickly go down and look at some of the writing skills, right? So when you go to writer jobs, when you click here as writer jobs, you will see there are about 4,514 writer jobs. And let's look at one example here. I'm going to click on, let's say, seeking editor to critique the quality of writing. So when you click here, it tells you what is this job about, and it gives you about $30 an hour. So this is really a good thing. You have to register, you have to kind of give what is your skill set, and then based on if you are selected, then this job comes to you. It pays you $30 an hour. And on similar lines, we have another website which is called as Fiverr.com. This is again for freelancers who want to earn money by having different skill sets. So let's look at Fiverr.com. One personal experience I can tell you is in our channel, we are using this Fiverr.com a lot for us to outsource a lot of our editing, a lot of our logo designs, etc. for our own YouTube channel. So I can personally tell you that this website is very, very useful. Let's look at some of the categories here. So they have, again, if you have skill sets around graphic and design, then as I mentioned, this is the place where you can show that skills. Digital marketing is another area. Writing and translation, again, we covered parts of this in Upwork as well. You have video and animation, music and audio. Again, for the IT folks, I think programming and tech skills are also being outsourced, so this is another hot topic. And data entry, of course. These are some of the categories they offer, but let's look at how do you start selling on Fiverr. So I've opened up this page already. What can I sell? I think I showed you the different categories. You can have about over 200 categories which they offer. How much money do I make? Generally, it depends on how much bandwidth you have, and depending on how much you can actually devote to the website, you can earn money. How much profit would you make is about 80%. So let's say you quoted about $100, $80 comes to you and $20 goes to Fiverr for giving you that opportunity. Some of the other Q&As which come across is, how do I price my service? So anything in the range of $5 to $9.95 is what they have. And when would you get paid? It's roughly 60 to 90 days after the work is complete, you would actually get a check or an e-payment into PayPal or similar websites. To show you all an example of how you can actually search easily on Fiverr is, let's say if I am a website designer, what I can do is I want to search for jobs on website designing on a freelancing basis. So I can just put website designing, and you will see that there are about so many people offering that service on a freelancing basis. And you can also look at the starting price. So it's roughly starting at around $139, $174. And depending on what are your reviews from others, based on that, you will be ranked on Fiverr. So this guy is ranked as 4.9 with 987 reviews. Well, the next website I'm going to share is website number 4, and it's called udemy.com, udemy.com. How many of you have watched Netflix? So how this website works is like similar to Netflix, where you pay a monthly subscription and then you can look at the different courses which are offered by different specialists. How do you make money out of it is based on your skill set. So let's say if you have a specific skill on sports, or you have a specific skill in music, and you want to share that your learnings onto this website, then people will go and watch your videos, and then they will learn that specific skill set from you. Now, some people ask me question that, do really people pay for these kind of courses? Absolutely yes. And let me give you an example here. So these are some categories which are trending right now. So if you are in any of these buckets where you have specific skill sets on design, development, marketing, IT, personal development, business, photographic, then yes, this is the place where you should put in your videos for others to learn from you. And if you want to see more specifics, there are about 26 million people who want to actually learn Python. There are about 9 million people who want to learn Photoshop. There are about 4 million students who want to learn about AWS certification. So you can see that this is a website where you can actually marry your skill sets for audience who want to learn that skills. Some of the statistics is right here. So there are about 40 million students. They offer these different courses in about 65 plus languages. And there are about 480 million enrollments, and they are there for about in 180 plus countries. The best part is you need to plan your curriculum, you need to record your video, and then you need to launch your course. And in all of this, they help you. So they also help you give some standard ways on how to present and things like that. So if you're new, don't worry about it. Udemy is going to help you. So remember, I spoke to you about the monthly way in which they charge, but the other option is you can actually also pay course-wise. And if somebody subscribes to that course, then you also get paid. So in Udemy, there are two options. There's a monthly subscription where you can access everything. Or if you want to only look at a specific aspect, then they have, course-wise fees as well. So let's say, let's take an example. Let's say I want to learn a little bit about Kochuryu karate. Yeah, that's a specific type of karate which you do. So I'm going to just say Kochuryu karate is what I want to learn about. And when I click on this, you will see that there are people who are actually offering this course to you. Now, this person is new and he is offering about 10 lectures at about $22. So when you click on this, and I'm giving you an example of how you can actually start putting your lectures or your videos on this for other people to learn. And you can actually give this course as well. But to give you more details, so he's teaching about 7 to 8 to 10 different types of katas, which is a form in karate. He talks about himself a little bit here, and then he gives you a description of what all he's going to cover. So he's going to cover about introduction, then he's going to cover the different katas, so about 3 to 7 minutes depending on the variety of kata. So this is all about Udemy, which I wanted to share. What I want you to do is just click on the link below and see if you have already subscribed to Udemy. Share your experiences with the other audience who will be watching this video. If you're still watching this video, I want to give you a big thank you, and if you have utilized any of the websites, please feel free to share the experience in the comment section, Also, if you have come across similar such websites which are useful for the audience, put those links below with some description so that others can take an advantage of the same. Now I'm going to go to the last website which is coming up next. Last and the final fifth website which I want to share with everybody is called freelancer.com. This is similar to what I have shared with you on Fiverr or with Upwork. This is another platform for you to actually get freelancing jobs. Now, I won't go into all the details of the website, but what I can tell you is right here that they are also offering jobs into these specific areas. Again, very much similar in line to what Fiverr and Upwork were offering. But do explore this website as well. Get yourself registered. Thank you so much for watching the full video, and hope you liked our content on top 5 websites based on freelancing jobs as well as skill sets you have. If you like our channel, then please like, share and subscribe to support the channel to create more such videos. If you want to see some specific videos, then please drop your comments so that I can work on those and then create new videos for you. Until then, stay safe, goodbye and have a nice day.